Meet the parrots, nature's loudest, smartest, and most colorful chatterboxes. From the rainforests of South America to the deserts of Australia, parrots are found all over the world, flaunting their feathers like flying rainbows. That beak isn't just for show, it's a powerful tool. Parrots use it to crack nuts, climb trees, and even hold food like a hand. But what really makes parrots special? They're talkers. Some species, like the African gray, can learn hundreds of words and even understand meanings. They're incredibly smart on par with a 5-year-old human. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and recognize themselves in mirrors. Parrots are also social animals. In the wild, they live in flocks, form strong bonds, and even mourn lost companions. Sadly, many parrots are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. These brilliant birds need our help to stay wild and free. So next time you hear a squawk, remember, it might just be one of the most fascinating minds in the animal kingdom. Like, comment, and subscribe for more wild facts.